Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to make Immuno Elixir and Ayurvedic cooler. To make this drink, we will need 1 celery, 1 inch ginger, 1 inch cinnamon, 5 tulsi leaves, 2 tablespoon lemon juice, salt, 150 gram cucumber, honey or jaggery according to your taste, water for smooth blending. Wash and chop the celery stem and half cucumber. Chop them to the size that fits your blender. Add the chopped celery and cucumber into the blender, one by one. Add ginger and cinnamon. Now add holy basil leaves into the blender. Add 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Now add honey or jaggery powder as per taste. Add half tablespoon salt. Add 250 ml water just for easy blending. Blend until smooth and frothy. Serve it fresh or chilled. Enjoy your drink.